How to remove a phone number from Temu. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your phone number from your Temu account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your app from your device and make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. Now go ahead and tap on Use section at the bottom of the page. Then tap on Addresses. Here, tap onto the default address that you have set. You will see an option of phone number. Remove it and type in your new phone number. Also be noted that you cannot completely remove your phone number from your Temu account. However, you can replace your old phone number with the new one. Once you enter your new phone number, just tap onto Save at the bottom of the page. As you do so, you will be good to go. And just like the phone number, you can also edit your address, your first name, your last name, and your country. Once done, tap on to save. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.